Okay, a quick video on the sweeper. I'm sure many of you have a sweeper out there. This is a video on how to maintain it, but more so how to clean it. All right, so what we need to do is take the screws out. There's one screw on each side, and it may be that you need a screwdriver or an Allen wrench. We've replaced a lot of these screws, so in this case it's a regular Phillips screw. So 2 screws. Top comes off, and that will expose the dirty innards of the sweeper. So not only does this need to be cleaned on a regular basis, but this does too. So you'll take off the hopper, and you'll note that that needs to be cleaned as well. All right, so one of 2 ways to clean it would be with a vacuum. We'll just give you a quick example of how to clean it with the vacuum. It's simple. Dun, 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 dun. Just go over all the surfaces. It's easy.
You can take the filter out and vacuum the filter.
That's right, the filter can come out. We can vacuum in there. An alternate way to clean this is to take it out on your dock or wherever you deem it fit to take it to. So let's just pretend this is the dock. Take your leaf blower. Ta-da, the leaf blower. Take it off, Joke.
You sabotaged
Okay, so in all honesty, that was take 2. So this is actually a lot cleaner than it was before. So that can be done on a regular basis. Another thing that can be done is you'll see this little area right here. There's the fan in there that acts as your vacuum on this. You'll see these lint balls. What can be done is you'll turn the machine on, and that will spin the fan. And as the fan is spinning, take your blower and blow it in there, and you'll get a lot of junk coming out of there too, and that'll eventually clean it. Okay, one more item. If your machine just stops working, like as in you have no electricity going to it, you'll hit the power button on the panel and nothing happens, chances are really good that the problem lies in here. So what you need to do is take this off. Typically there's a little screw right here, and that can be removed with basically any tool in your toolkit. Anyway, so you take the screw out, take this cover off, and take this little clear cover off right there. That comes off, and then you will remove this fuse, and chances are really good that it's this fuse. So this is what a bad fuse looks like. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it looks like something hot was in there compared to a good fuse I'm holding in this hand. You can see the difference. So I'm going to replace it with the good fuse.
Yeah, take our spot.
How to replace a fuse is you just stick it right in there. It's super easy. Put this clear case back on. Put this little black cover back on here.
Morning.
Good morning. Reinsert your screw, and you're off to the races. Anything I missed, Clayton? We good? All right. Short video on how to maintain and repair your sweeper.